Hey everyone, welcome. We got a plug bathtub drain. I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. Hey, you can see how slow it's draining. You can hear it draining away, but it's going real slow. So, I'm going to put my gloves on. Now the first thing you want to do is remove this plug. Now sometimes they're a lift and turn, so you lift it and turn it to keep it up. This is a pop-up, so it just pops down, pops up. If it's I'll put that down for a sec. If it's a lift and turn where you lift it and turn it and then it stays up, then you lift part way up and start turning and it'll grab, and then you just unthread it and it'll pop out of there, okay? If you lift it all the way up, it'll just keep spinning. You want to come halfway up and then start turning counterclockwise and it will unthread, and then you have access to underneath. This one just unthreads, okay? Off it comes. Okay, I think I can already see the problem. So I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver, okay? Usually it's hair, and there it is, okay? There we go, there's some hair, see? See how quick that's going away? So that was probably the problem. That's going to go in the plastic bag, okay? Now, this is a different type of plug that I'm used to seeing. So you can probably get this off too, but I just got the block right around there. Okay, so we're gonna put that back on. Now another way you can do it, if the block was still there, is you undo your overflow right here. Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes there's two, one on each side. This one's just got one in the center. Off that pops. Okay, and you got this, one on each side, just the plastic holder. Okay, undo one side. One side only. You don't want this thing to fall out in the back of the tub because you don't have access behind there. Sometimes you do, but most of the time you don't, okay? So we want that out so it's out of the way, and we spin this gently to give yourself some room, okay? Now you got access in here, and that's not gonna fall away. And you take your drum auger, undo this, okay? Start pulling that out, push it down until it stops. Okay, I'm hitting the P-trap down underneath now. And you do that up. Just a bit of cable. And then twist. Okay. Keep twisting until it goes through that trap. This one's being stubborn. So I'm going to go undo that. I'm going to go a little closer in. Do it back up. Yeah, I felt it go in a little bit there. Probably in the trap. Now I'm going to undo this. Come back a bit. There we go. It's fighting. Okay, I'm in the trap. It's not wanting to go through. So it might be hitting something in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna undo this, pull back. The most important thing is you don't put out too much cable at once. Put out a little bit, do this up, spin, and then repeat the process, okay? When you think you've gone through a block, then you do this up, go one more time, just to make sure you got it, then undo it, pull it back, get some towel. As you're pulling this back, wipe the line as you push it into the drum. Okay, I didn't have anything on there because I already got the block. But that's the way to do it. If you have access from underneath to get to the trap, that's the best way to do it. Go down there if it's a crawl space or a basement. If it's a slab, obviously you can't do that. And try and undo that trap, or see if you have a clean out down there to get to the pipe if the block's further down. Okay, so then it's simply just putting this back where it was, taking your Phillips, get that started. Take your plate with your Phillips, line that up. Just snug it, make sure it looks straight. Take another another piece of shop towel. Wipe it down. Push your plug in. Turn the water on. And we'll see if this drains better. Looks like it's draining good to me. Just let this run on cold for a while. I think that got it. A lot of times it's just right below there. Same with a bathroom sink. A lot of times it's just below that plug. Undo that plug and pull it out. It'll be full of hair. All right, I think that got it. All right, well, problem solved. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.